Good morning from a forest that has been controversial on YouTube. I will let you guess where I am. This is where I slept last night. Got down to -5 degrees. It was very cold. It is -2 degrees Celsius right now. And I am cold, so it's time to have some breakfast and get moving. Would be nice to have some hot coffee, which I could make, but I'm too cold. So I'm just gonna have this and get walking. I have with me a chocolate croissant, chocolate cake. It's all good. It's good. A cake. I gotta walk around while having breakfast in order to warm up. It's cold. I know I've said that a few times now, but it's cold. I am not prepared for this, but it is beautiful. It's very, very beautiful, very peaceful and quiet. Gonna have this now, real quick, then put on my backpack and get going. It's cold. So, you see that chocolate in there? It has frozen. It's very, very hard. Let's go. Make sure I have everything with me. Make sure all trash is collected and is coming with me. Yes, yes. Well, good. We can go. If I am not mistaken, this is the way back to the main trail. Just look at how beautiful this place is. The sun is coming through. That's what I need right now. Some sun to warm up. And maybe a hot corn soup from a vending machine. It's very easy to get lost in this forest if you leave the main trail, because it all blends in. It isn't called a sea of trees for nothing. Not only because there are many trees, as you can see, but also the ground is the result of volcanic activities. So it goes up and down, up and down. Kinda looks like the waves of the sea. Anyway, I think the trail is that way. It's December, and probably the easiest time of the year to navigate this forest. If it was August, all this would be overgrown. I think that might be it. Maybe. And we're back. Now, which way do I go? Which way did I come from? I believe that last night I came from this side and I went left into the forest. So I'm gonna go this way. This is where I am, and this is where I'm going. Lake Motsuzu, I think it is called. The trail has become more narrow as I go further towards lake something. It's gotta be like close to 9, 8:50. No idea how long this is gonna take. Pretty easy hiking so far. Everything's flat. And I have finally warmed up. I started walking at 8, maybe 8:10 at the latest. It is close to 9. I think it'll be like maybe 30 to 45 minutes to the first lake, and then maybe another 30, 45 to the next, well, to the lake, not to the spot that I want to get to, which is on the other side of the lake. Fukatsu, where I came from, Lake Shojiko, which is where I'm going now. But my final destination is Lake Motosu. I am beginning to slow down due to lack of calories. It would be nice to find a nice sunny spot by the lake to cook my food. It's time for a hydration stop. We're almost at the crossroads. Time to keep going. As you might imagine, this sports drink was very cold, and so I'm cold now. Fun. So gotta get back to walking to warm up. Experiencing some elevation gain. It's not much though, but it is the most that I have seen so far on this trail. This is quite elevated. Hopefully you can tell on camera. So down there should be the road, which I can hear traffic, and the first lake. And up ahead, at some point, I should come to the crossroads, left, leading deep into the forest, right, leading to the lake. Eight minutes to the lake, 703 minutes to Fujisawa Line 5th station. So yes, let's go to the lake, and at some point we will hike this way into the forest. It's only 9:45, which means I have roughly 6 hours of daylight left today. Plenty of time to go see the lake and come back. The lake should be in sight soon. So from here you can climb Mount Fuji. You do need a permit, I believe, and there's too many people up there anyway. I don't want to do that. I prefer doing this to have the whole place to myself. We'll go see the lake, which is right there. Then we'll go in, and at some point maybe here turn back, or go all the way here, and I don't know if that's a bus. Maybe catch the bus back if there's a station. See what happens. It's so nice to be in the sun. It's warming me up. The lake is just that way. Coffee or hot soup would be nice. Gotta dig out my coins though. And we made it to Lake Shojiko. Right there. The roped off. Don't know if it means that you cannot go in there. I guess it should stay out. I don't know. Well, I don't want to get in trouble with these people. I don't want to get in trouble, so I'm just gonna go back to where I came from. Whoa, you can see Mount Fuji. It is clear and beautiful. Well, I don't think anyone will mind if I set up right here. Hopefully not, at least. This is the best that I'm gonna get. I could go over there, but it's kinda on the road, even though no cars will come by, surely. But this is what we will be making. Rice, curry rice. First thing is first, we have to soak rice. While the rice is soaking, I will prepare the vegetables and the curry. I have the rice soaking now. Time to cut up the vegetables. Onions ready. Time to do the others too. Everything is cut up, ready to go. The rice is not looking very soaked yet, so keep that aside still. Time to work on this, continue. It's beginning to smell good really quickly. Also warming me up. Potatoes should be cooked soon, so let me get this out of the box. This is frozen. Everything's frozen. Smells nice. Let's move this so I can start cooking rice. Comes the worst part. Waiting for my rice to cook while my curry gets cold. I think I'm gonna try some of this, if you don't mind. Oh yeah, it's cold already. It's good though. Can't wait. Go stand over here in the sun for a bit while that cooks. This feels so much better. So my rice smells like it's burning, so I'm gonna shut this off because it probably is. At least the bottom of the rice is definitely probably burning. I haven't used this pot to make rice, only this one, which has worked successfully. Although I had this here, so I couldn't use it. But I should have thought of moving the curry to this pot. It's too late for that now. My rice might be ruined. I'm just gonna let it sit for some time. This rice on top is 100% cooked, and yep, the rice at the bottom is burnt. That's not gonna be easy to clean. Neither easy nor fun. But at least the rice is cooked. So we've got that going on for us. It's not beautiful, it's not warm, but it is curry rice. Japanese curry rice. I am going to enjoy this. Then I'm going to make a soup and hopefully get that cleared out of my pot. You know, like that soak. Hopefully come off by itself mostly. Looks good to me. Hope it looks good to you. Would be nice if the curry was warm, but I'm not gonna complain, and I'm too hungry to heat it up again. So it's going in. That was good. Now it's time for some miso soup. 2 packets of miso soup going in. There you go. Beautiful, nice and hot miso soup. It's gonna warm me up, get me ready to start hiking again, back into the forest. Finished my miso soup. Unfortunately, I'm sad to say that I am still not warm. I'm very cold. So if I go into the forest, that means I am going to suffer tonight again like I did last night. It was very cold. Or I can go to town, that way. Bus stop's right there. And go get a base layer and whatever else I might need, socks. But if I do that, I'm not gonna feel like coming back because it's a hassle. So I'm gonna flip a coin, and heads, I'll go back. Tails, I'll go into the forest. Since I didn't get access to the lake, I'm gonna try these alcohol cleaning wipes for camping, for outdoor, that I got at Daiso. Let's see how they work. Okay. Just two guys with backpacks on just passed by. It's good to see other people doing outdoor stuff, not just me. Let's try it on the pot. It's working pretty well. So these did a fantastic job. Only for 100 yen. And you get 40. That's a pretty good deal. You're gonna need another one for that, and for that, and for everything else. Maybe two. Gonna get my other pair of pants, put them on, and hope that it helps. Okay, everything's almost picked up. Okay, everything's picked up. Now, it's time to flip a coin to see if I go that way or this way. Don't know which side would be tails and which one heads. So let's say that this side, since it has a structure, let's say that one's go back to town. And this one is go to the forest. And it is. Guess we're going back to town. So I guess that I'll go back to Tokyo and yeah, buy stuff for cold weather. So I guess I'll take the bus that should be stopping over there soon in 10 minutes and head back into town, probably back to Tokyo, find a place to sleep, and yeah, next time I plan to be at higher elevations. I don't know what the elevation here is, but I was not expecting it to be this cold. It's like 5 degrees colder than Tokyo on average. It's supposed to snow in a few days up here. So yeah, should have brought my base layers with me, so I'll have to buy a new pair, which is fine. It is what it is. Maybe I'll come back here, but from a different angle, not to the same place. We'll see. I wanted to get high up in one of these mountain peaks, small mountains, so I could have a nice view of Mount Fuji. I guess I'll have to come back for that. Anyway, bus is coming soon, so I better get to the bus stop if I am to catch this bus. All my trash and stuff is with me. Good. The campground says closed. Probably closed for the season. It's cold, man. Well, I'm back here. It's my train back to Tokyo. So many tourists at this station. It's horrible. It's a waifu train, as you can see. Well, that only took 3 hours. Maybe you can hear it. It's the 5 p.m. chime. I'm glad to report that my hands are no longer freezing. There is a substantial difference in temperature between Tokyo and the area around Mount Fuji. So I want to go stash my stuff at a spot that I have scouted. There's a couple sitting over there, so I guess I'm gonna have to pay for a coin locker because it's way too early to go to sleep. It's only 5 p.m. and it is nice and warm here, so it's time to walk, do something. I suppose I can have some water and wait, see what happens. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes and I just saw a couple of groundskeepers looking around. So this is not a good place to stash my stuff right now. It is good to sleep because it's one of my spots, but it's no good to stash right now. So I'm gonna keep moving.